All right, guys, here we are in Alexandria, Louisiana. Oops, sorry, just tripped. And we're starting out. We got 2 Jeeps and, of course, my Power Wagon heading out on the trail. Stay tuned. Hey guys, sorry about all this. We're trying to find a way around. We had a bridge out on the normal route down by Calcasieu, and so as we are trying to make our way back to the route, we come across this what seemed to be just a road on the map. Is turned out to be this dirt road, but it's got a lot of fun and a lot of dirt and mud holes, and so we're actually having fun. I just dropped it down into 4-wheel high because mud holes are getting deeper and deeper, and we're just cruising along right now. So thanks for watching. This is a low water bridge crossing. You can see the depth gauges on the road, so that's no problem now. But we are going to go through some trails here in a little bit that will be trails, not just Forestry Service roads. So I'll let you know when we get to that point. All right, so we're in Coxsackie National Forest on this trail. This is 440A, and anyways, we're trying to make it down. It's raining, still raining hard, and so this trail is going to get interesting as we get down to the creek bed crossings here in a few minutes. I'll show you what it's going to look like when we get there.